Sihlule mbukeli natiketi indzaba muhla sikuthulela tona bukhoma etindlini tekusakata te-SABC ku-SABC 1 nakuli high. Asibukele tihambe mbili.
The difficulty was that I can't put a name or say these are the people on inspection whom I think they were going to share with.
Inhloko lebuke ebugebengu lokuhleliwe emaphoyiseni lemisiwe Major General Richard Shibiri iphinzilitwa ngemibuto mayelana nenzima la idlalile ekhokheni imininingwane yemaphoyisa lebalulekile nalabanye bantu.
Sibona ibalulekile kakhulu indaba yokuthi amalungelo abantwana anganyathelwa njengoba nasibafundisa besezikolweni zethu.
Lamuhla sibuka ukunyatheleka kwelungelo lemfunzi lotithola sandande endikhundleni tekuchumana ngemva kwekuthi thishela athwebule ivideo yakhe angadli iphayi ngesikhathi labanye badla.
It's a pleasure to once again be in this round of the competition.
Imamelodi Sundowns ifuna kufinyelela lihlandla lesine esigabeni semidlalo ekuhlungela emancane ku-CAF Champions League. Inhloko lebuke ebugebengu lokuhleliwe emaphoyiseni lemisiwe Major General Richard Shibiri iphinzilitwa ngemibuto mayelana nenzima la idlalile ekhokheni imininingwane yemaphoyisa lebalulekile nalabanye bantu. Ngaphambili Shibiri waveta ukuthi nakathi labanye bantu usho umndeni nebameli bakatiso Molefe.
Emva kokuhlatshwa ngembuto kule komishana Shibiri uvumile ukuthi vele wakhuluma nalolunye uhlangothi kepha kenyalo sekasho ecenjini thite lemaphoyisa lathi belifaya ekhathi General Shadrack Sibiya. Lokho kwenteka elidzabeni lokuboshwa kwamlifi losola ngakubongqondongqondo egameni tekubulala eFakhathi kubulawa kwasomabhizinisi DJ Sambodi nanjinela waseval Amanswart.
Yes, Commissioner, I agree. That is why I wanted to indicate that the difficulty was that I can't put a name or say these are the people on inspection whom I think they were going to share with.
Komishana sesibaloyo ubuthe Shibiri kuthunelwa ngatini ngebudlelwano emkhathini kwa Steve Mutsumi lokumkhakha wekumbiwa komcibo waphansi nalongumnikati wenkampani Brogadza bangasese namlifi.
Do you know if there's any relationship between Mr. Mutsumi and Mr. Molefe?
No, because I knew about Mr. Molefe or seeing him on TV recently after the arrest, but not immediately because that time I couldn't see on the TV. And yes, and that is when I started knowing him, but I don't know his circle.
Kube khona ke kudonsisana elidzabeni lokukhipha lelinye lemagama alabo lekusolakala ukuthi bathinseke ngohlokoleni lekuphenya ngayo le komishana.
It happens worldwide that people subject to investigation, sometimes we don't mention. And again, that is why even in the country we have laws whereby we can say we don't mention certain information.
Umsebenzi wekomishana uyaqhubeka.
Liphoyisa lelimisiwe emsebenzini samukeliso Mlotshwa lisola komishana wemaphoyisa velonke Jenene Fani Masemula na komishana wemaphoyisa wesifundza saKwaZulu Natal Lieutenant Jenene Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Mlotshwa lokhuluma ngembiwe lekomiti lesikhashana eParliament usola ukuthi ngiwe emaphoyisa lamthumba phinza mshaya eMaputo naKwaZulu Natal.
Buyingcenye ukuthola emaqiniso ngetinsolo tekushaya kuthiwa lokho lokwenteka kayene kutama kuthola kwekuphula umthetho emaphoyiseni. Ngekusho kwaMlotshwa emaphoyisa amsola kuba ingcenye yesigameko sekuthumba somabhizinisi Zakaria Disayile ukuthi insolo lati iphika ko. Kube munyu ngesikhathi sihlalo waleli komiti Soviet lihanya conza tigwegwe kuMlotshwa lapha amtshele khona ukuthi akacolise ngemva ukuthi afunze imininingwane ethile lesencwadzini lefungelwe yangakaniketwa imvumo lithimba letemthetho laleli komiti.
I would like to request that I be allowed to address the House before I proceed to start with my sworn statement. It is very important that I provide the context to the sworn statement and what my opinion is central and key to what has transpired in the events that occurred from November 2024 to current. Those events and incidences undermines our constitution.
Sergeant Samukeliso Mlotshwa utshele lekomiti lesikhashana ukuthi i-guest house yakhe yashiswa yaze yangconca ngamaphoyisa ngelanga laboshwa ngalo ngenyanga yeLweti nga 2024. uthi ngesikhathi asesemaputo wathwala ucingo loluvela kulomunye lamtshela ukuthi akakhulule lona bekusola ukuthi uThunjiwe Zakaria Desaye. Mlotshwa uthi emaphoyisa abese encwadini lefungelo abhala ukuthi afika ekhaya lakhe ngemachinga ngemva ukuthi athole imininingwane etsite ukuthi kukhona labahlomile. Kepha yena ukuphikile lokhu lapho athe khona lokhu bekungekho emthethweni, kepha bekwendelwe kusabisa yena. Uphinze wangeda ukuthi iCommission yamaphoyisa aseKZN Jenene Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wakhipha imininingwane lengasilo liqiniso kubetini zabo lapha athi khona lendlu yakhe yashiswa ngamalunga emphakathi hayi emaphoyisa.
My house was burned on the 20th while I was away. And then we opened the case, the caretaker opened the case on the 21 of November, which is case 7311-2024 of Matsulu. So the house was badly damaged.
Uma sihlanganisa lo mbiko umsebenzi weCommission bewusaqhubeka.
Liqembu lemkhonto wesizwe lithi ngeke lilahle lithawule ekhankaseleni kuketula uhulumende welibumbano kwaZulu Natal. Enyangeni yengongoni eminyakeni lo wengcile leli qembu lahluleka kususa Ndvunankhulu esihlalweni ngesishukumiso sekungamethembi. Emalunga omkhonto wesizwe phatha khulumisana nalamanye amaqembu kutama kuketula lo uhulumende welibumbano wesifundza njengoba kulungiselelwa lukhetho labo hulumende betindzawo.
Ithi ngeke liphonse ithawula izokwenza konke okusemandleni ukususa uhulumeni oholwa iIFP wobumbano kwaZulu Natal. IMKP iyathola isibalo esiphezulu samavoti kunawo wonke amaqembu esifundazweni saKwaZulu Natal okhethweni lango-2024. Yahlomula amaphesenti angaphezu kuka-45. Njengamanje iMKP imatasa nezingxoxo ngekusasa lesifundazwe.
Lo mkhankaso esizoqhubeka nawo sinethemba lokuthi sosheshe siwine kodwa esithi uma ngabe singawini siyowuphusha kuze kushaye u2029 akuwona umkhankaso esizowuyeka nje.
Mnumzane uMchunu uthi ungenela ukhetho lokuchibiyela kuvumela iqembu ukuthi lihlole kwesekwa kwalo ngabavoti.
Sathatha isinqumo sokuthi zonke izinketho zama-by-elections sizozikenela kodwa sasineyinhloso. Inhloso yethu yokuqala kwakuwukuthi sifunde ngawo ama-by-election ukuthi abantu bayasekela umkhonto wesizwe noma kabasekeli. Uma bengasekeli kuphi la kuxega khona.
Iqembu selikhethe ukungazibambi izingqungquthela zalo zokukhetha ubuholi. Kodwa mnumzane uMchunu uthi kuzoqokwa amathimba azosiza ukuqinisa uzinzo njengoba zingekho izinhlaka esikhethiwe. Kwindaba ze-SABC ngingu-Ayanda Mhlongo eThekwini.
So umisiwe emsebenzini thishela lothethe ivideo eThemba Lethu Primary School eNtshonalanga Kapa lapho kubonakala khona abantwana abadla emaphayis kanti munye wabo ke ubonakala ede. Kepha ke kubuka imigomo levikela abantwana kubothishela labathatha emavideo netithombe etikolweni. Sikhuluma na Liko Bottoman. Liko asikubingelele sikwemukele etindzabeni. Mhlambe nje ungaqala ngekusitshela ukuthi bavikeleleke kangakanani bantwana laba ngaphasi kwabothishela lapha sakwende injwayelo ukuthatha icontent etikolweni.
Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nisithole la ku-SABC. Abantwana bavikelekile kakhulu ngoba umthetho waseMzantsi Afrika uyabavikela abantwana kakhulu kwinto ezidibene namalungelo wabo ezikolweni nezinto ezidibene nokuthi kuthathwa amavideo wabo ngesikhathi esifanekele. Umthetho waseMzantsi Afrika ngoku uthi abantwana sikwazi ukuvela sithatha ivideo zabo singakhange sibachazele ngoba kufuneka si-understand ukuthi abantwana abazi izinto ezingaphili ongavela uzifunqule wenze anything ofuna uyenza ngabo. Kufanele ukuthi ba-understand ubaqondisise ukuthi kutheni usenza lento yenzayo kunye nabo.
Njengoba naku ke sebathathile lama video akucekeli phasi noma kunyatheleki yini emalungelo abo labantwana lokho.
Ngokuqinisekileyo inyathela amalungelo wabo abantwana. Ndiyaqondisisa futhi ukuthi isifundazwe saseNtshona Koloni that is why sisa decide ukuthi masimthathe utishara simphumze kancinci ngoba kuyabonakala wena sisukuthi into ekufuneka yenzekile eMzantsi Afrika kufuneka uMzantsi Afrika uunderstand ukuthi amalungelo wabantu kwezinsuku esiphila kuze ezibizwa ukuthi izinsuku ze-digital age kufuneka ba-understand ukuthi amalungelo wabantu sizawagcina kanjani singawanyatheli ngoba kusetshenziswa ifone, kusetshenziswa i-devices, kukho ne-social media.
Ngiyeva ukhuluma ngekuthi lo thishela sowumisiwe kuyini ke lokutawulandzela emva kwaloko utawumiswa kuphela bese uyabuyela emsebenzini ngemva kwekuthi lendlela lenzaba seyindlulile.
i-department yaphaya kwisifundazwe izawukwenza uphenyo lwayo. Emva koko bazawukwazi ukuthi bawunikele umcimbi kwi-councils, kwi-bodies ezibalulekile ezifana ukuthi zenze lo msebenzi. Umzekelo, the South African Council for Educators, ukuthi nabo benze olwabo uphenyo ukuze kuqondisiswe, ngoba bona kakhulukazi ba-interested ekuthini ukuthi i-professionalism ne-professional conduct, ukuziphatha kwabasebenzi abazibiza ukuthi bangotishara enjani. So olo phenyo luzakwenzeka, sizazifumana ke reports xa sekugqityiwe.
Sekukhulunyiwe konke likho, yini ke lokungendiwa kugwema tehlakalo letifana naleti?
Njengoba nabensendishilo ke kuzafuneka ukuthi ngoba impilo yethu seyitshintshile ngoku eMzantsi Afrika ngenxa ye-technology nangenxa ye-fourth industrial revolution. Kuzawufuneka ngoku ukuthi sifundisane nootishara bethu baseMzantsi Afrika ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani, ngoba akho nto irongo, akho nto ingalunganga utishara xa izawuthatha ividiyo mhlambi, for example, for learning purposes, for ukufunda, okanye izawuthatha ividiyo yabantwana abadlala isport, okanye izawuthatha ividiyo yabantwana mhlambi abaperformayo, loo nto bayiperformayo ngelo xesha. Akho nto irongo ngaloo nto. Fanele ukuthi kodwa umntu ajonge ukuthi isizathu esibangela ukuthi athathe ividiyo siyintoni, because ukuba ngabe isizathu kukuthi ufuna ukwenyelisa umntwana, then sizoba nengxaki.
Sesivala nje, umlayedo wakho uthini ke kubothishela labathatha emavidiyo ke lahlambalata abantwana?
Masizameni ukuthi cha kancinci, ngoba ndiyayazi ukuthi siphila ebomini ngoku be-social media. Masimise kancinci ukuthatha ividiyo ngabantwana. Sizawusebenzisana nee-unions zotishara ukwenzela ukuthi sibanikeze ulwazi oluphangaleleyo otishara ukuthi kufanele ukuthi baziphathe kanjani ngoku nge-technology.
Likho, asibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Loyo ke ngumbukeli nguLikho Bottomani abuya etikweni letemfundo lesisekelo, akhuluma ke ngekuvikeleka kwemalungelo ebantwana etikolweni. Sikubutile ke nawe mbukeli ukuthi yini lengendiwa kugwema kuhlambalateka kwebantwana etikolweni, kakhulu kade etandleni tabothishela. Umbono wakho uyalandzela.
Njengomzali kubantwana besikolo,
othishela abayekele kuya nekudla esikolweni, banike abantwana ngenzabe ukuthi bafuna kuyowenda ama-contact lento libangela ukuthi abantwana bagcine lo mnye sangadlisi kangasakhululeki sangasimntwana lokahle esikolweni.
Othisha abathi mabethenga into noma engabe usweet noma engabe uphana noma engabe yini okudliwayo, abaqinisekise ukuthi izingane mhlambe bayithengela zonke ngokwanele ukuze lokho mhlambe kuzokwazi ukuthi nezingane mhlambe engenalutho engathatha entweni ikwazi ukuthi naye mhlambe ithole ukuthi ingahlambalazeki, ingayiboni isihlukile kwezinye izingane.
Khona kuzwisana ubuhlungu kakhulu okwenziwe lo mem ngokuthi umntwana adle iphaya, abanye badla iphaya yena angadli. Kodwa ke bekufanele enze ubuntu, amana akhiphe isikhomeni sakhe ancede ingane ibukeke nabo. Uyenza isilonda esibi kakhulu lo mem, akanazwelo man, hayi akanazwelo.
Leya video mina ngahluleka nokuyiqeda ngendlela engaphatheka kabi ngayo. Luyathisha wakhombisa olukhulunya.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC at first wakuphendulela ngawo. Kuletinye ke nasibiye etitolo. Takhamuti tasesabi eMpumalanga titfukuthele tiganela unwabu ngenxa engalethwa kwetidzingo ncandile kufaka imigwaco lengekho esimeni esikahle, tingcinamba tagesi kanye nekuswelakala kwemanti kubala lokumbalwa. Wemgelekile mbukele esigabeni sesibili setindzaba. Uma usanza kungena ukhethe kahle tisekhona, hlala nathi. Sewuvelile enkantolo yamanje ePulukwane eLimpopo umsolwa we-11 losolwa ngekubulala ngenhloso yokuthola imali yemshwalense. Leli cala la Robert Shokane lihlehliselwe kumhlati nge-25 kude atofaka isicelo sebheyili kuphindze kuphenywe kabanti. Lo msolwa ujoyinela abanye basolwa lababoshwe ekuqaleni kwaleli viki.
Robert Shokane ngumsolwa longumnakabo lona bekaliphoyisa la ngumsolwa wecala Rachel Gudumela. Naye ke soyingcenye yalabo labasihlanu labatsinzekayo kulolu dzaba lolufaka ekhathi liwele lakhe lelaboshwa ngalwesibili. Utinikele ke emaphoyiseni itolo ngemva kwetinsolote ukuthi bekasolwa abalekela kuboshwa ngesikhathi labo lasolwa nabo baboshwa. Ana Shokane ngaye nemntwana wakhe wentombatane Flora Shokane batawuvakashela inkantolo ephakeme yasePulukwane ngenyanga yemphala kulo mnyaka. kusolakala ukuthi bathola imali engetulu kwa 10 million emarandi kumshwalense webantfu labayimfica labashona. Robert Shokane ubukena lamanye emacala ngama47 lafaka ekhatsi layimfica ekubulala.
We are further informed that the accused that have already appeared before this court were informed, as you are now also being informed, that you are facing 47 counts of offences, which ranges from murder, money laundering, and other related offences in this matter.
Bomnakabo Rachel Kutumela, Thomas na William Shokane, umyeni wakhe Tishela Nhloko, David Kutumela, mzala waKutumela, Damaris Silepe, umlaphi wenzabuko, Benedicta Mataba, kanye naMartha Rita licala bolihlehlisiwe kuthi kube mhlathi ngama25 kule nyanga lesetulo.
Accused, your case is therefore accordingly postponed to the 25th day of March 2026 for further investigation and possible bail application.
Umsolwa ugcinwe esitokisini waba ingcenyana solwa nabo.
Takhamuti tasesabi eMpumalanga tithukuthele tiganelo unwabu ngenxa engalethwa kwetidzingo encandile kufaka imigwaco lengekho esimeni lesikahle, tingcinamba tagesi kanye nekuswelakala kwemanti kubala lokumbalwa. Tithi le migwaco igcwele imigodi nemalamba wasebenzi. Kanti lokho kungaba nemthelela lomubi emkhakheni wetekuvakasha.
Idolobha lelincane lelatiwa ngakheha divakashi kepha takhamuti tikhathatekile ukuthi leli dolobha kwangathi liyashabalala. Imigwaco igcwele tigodi emalamba asemgwaqweni wasebenzi.
I moved here 7 years ago to come and retire because it was a beautiful road town. Now it's gone. This is what it looks like. This is the roads.
Leli dolobha lingasemgwaqweni wethiwa ngePanorama Route kepha bosomabhizinisi bakhala ukuthi tivakashi setendlule nje leli dolobha.
Our business has changed dramatically. We are no more seeing tour buses that used to visit us. The roads are impassable, and the volumes have really dropped.
It's not as if we are in a position to fix the municipality's fiscal responsibility. We cannot do that. We can only pay what we must pay, and obviously we encourage all our members to keep doing that.
We have requested Public Works to assist us so that we do those roads quickly. We requested the jet patcher, and the jet patcher already have started.
Kusenjalo takhamuti tikhathatekile ngokuthi leli dolobha lelaba likhala ivakashi kancane kancane kuyaliphelela lokho.
Nazivakashele timakethe tetimali sithola ukuthi lirandi lehlile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Kunasibusiso mahlalela ke kuleti hamba embili kuleti phuma embiteni kuligwalagwala FM. Lishonile Sibu.
Lishonile Lindelwa siyavusela kumbukela kuzabate Swati ekhaya ku SABC 1 nathi ke lesiphethe kuhlelo namuhla nzambama njengoba sinenhlangano eFF kulesifunza seMpumalanga njengoba ke sevete ke tikhalo thite ngicasha khona bake bafunza labaceceshwa kusike babe ngemaphoyisa emgwaqo ngetilo kwaloko siphethekele nalesika ke sisebenzisa usiqibu setilwane eKruger National Park lokubosike nasike sisebenzi sanyamalala ke eminyakeni lesihlanu lendlule ke phake Solomon ke sengatsalwa njengomuntu ke londlulile emhlabeni siphe indlebe ngesimbi yesithupha.
Tikuca lapho ke talamuhla siphinze sihlangane ngalokudako ungaphuthelwa simo sentuli ngemva kwetitolo nisale kahle.